Welcome back to Recorder with Mr. Wright. Today we are going to learn to play Amazing Grace. All right, let's look at our notes here. These notes are the notes we know them as D, G, B, G, B, D, G, B, G, B. Okay, now they're doing the solfeggio names here down below because some of the world uses this. All right, let's review those notes. So let's start with our second note, the G note. You know that one already, the thumb and the three fingers. The D adds these three fingers here. So, all right, let's try those first two notes, D and G. Ready, go. All right, remember you're playing softly. You're keeping the recorder at an angle, not too high, not too low, and blowing softly, blowing softly. All right, let's continue with B note, G, B, G, B. Here's our B, G, back to B, A, G. A is two fingers and the thumb. A, G, and then E is two fingers, adding two fingers of the right hand, and then the D. E, D. All right, and I think that's it, okay? So let's play through this slowly together with recording. I also will put this video itself in my playlist as well if you just rather play directly along with that. This video does have you're like, do I play the German or the Baroque? Pick one or the other. I haven't recorded long enough to give you my personal impressions, so most of the time they're the same. A couple times there's a little bit of difference in the fingering, but the note should be the same, whichever fingering you want. I think we're using probably the Baroque fingering is the one that we're using, but either one will work. Okay, so try from the beginning here. All right, here we go, starting with that D note. Okay, we do have a high D, and that is just the middle finger of the left hand. You want to make sure your thumb here is holding it so you don't flip the recorder out of your mouth. That's our high D, just that middle finger. Continuing. Good job, good job. Let's do it now once I'm going to back it up, and I'm going to play a little guitar accompaniment behind you. So, and I'll maybe say the notes as we go, okay? And then maybe we'll add even lyrics, who knows? All right, here we go. Let's try it back now, and I'm going to increase this to our normal speed. That was 3/4 speed, and let's make it normal speed now, and we'll play the whole thing again from the beginning, starting with that D note. great job, and keep enjoying the wonderful recorder, this portable recordable instrument that plays every note. Have a great week, everyone. Take care of each other.